Captain Moo here, and today I am in M&S at Ashton, and I've just found an Otis Gen 2 with a side indicator. Look, it just says lift there. I think it's been modernised because of the little thing up there, the grey box. Whoa, that's fast.
What way are you going?
How in? Right, let's go in.
I'm just gonna go back up with it.
Right, door closed. Doesn't have any lights then. Oh, two panels. God, what was that? What was that? What on earth was that? Oh, them brakes are broken. Come on. I thought it was stuck for a sec. Doors forgot to open. Oh my gosh, that was scary. Let's send it up.
Well, we need to go up. Come on.
No, what?
We need to go up, Sam.
Oh no. Do we have to do this? Oh, I'm sorry.
Open it. Thank you.
It makes quite a scary noise.
Does it? Oh my goodness.
Yeah. Please hold your ears.
Oh, it's quiet, this one. Oh,
What did I say?
squeaking, wasn't it?
Yeah. I am actually terrified of
Oh,
this.
don't be silly. You don't need to be terrified.
Oh my gosh. Okay, anyway, that's been Captain Moo in this really noisy Otis Gen 2. Is it going to go down? You can see the lift. There, you can see the cab. Oh my gosh, you can see the top of the cab from up here. Anyway, that's been Captain Moo in this very noisy Otis Gen 2 lift. Looks like there's a little, them computer things in there. So, bye.